Why do some people recover from illnesses faster than others? Ever wondered why some people seem to bounce back from sickness in no time, while others take weeks? It's not just luck, there's science at work. Recovery speed depends on several factors, from genetics to lifestyle habits. Let's uncover the secrets that influence how fast we heal. Your immune system is like your body's defense army. A strong immune system responds swiftly to infections, reducing recovery time. Factors like regular exercise, a nutrient-rich diet, and enough sleep help keep your immune system in peak condition. Neglecting these, however, can weaken your ability to fight back. Genetics also affect immunity. Some people naturally inherit cells that are more efficient at targeting and killing harmful pathogens. While you can't control your genes, adopting smart habits makes a big difference in boosting your system's performance. How you treat your body daily sets the stage for recovery. Smoking or excessive alcohol can delay healing by weakening your organs and slowing down blood flow. On the flip side, staying hydrated, incorporating lots of fruits and vegetables, and prioritizing movement strengthen your body's repair mechanisms. Stress is another hidden factor. Chronic stress not only wears you down but also suppresses your immune response. Deep breathing, mindful meditation, or even a simple evening walk can help you manage stress and recover more efficiently when illness strikes. Did you know your mindset can affect how quickly you heal? Studies have shown that optimism boosts recovery rates. A positive outlook releases hormones that speed up tissue repair and reduce inflammation. Surround yourself with supportive people, and don't underestimate the power of hope in the healing process. Equally, emotional health matters. Unresolved anxiety or grief can tax your immune system. Taking care of your mental well-being ensures your body has the energy to focus on physical recovery when needed. The good news. Recovery speed isn't fixed. Small, consistent changes, like eating better, exercising more, and managing stress, can significantly improve how well your body repairs itself. Even something as simple as sleeping an extra hour can work wonders next time you're feeling under the weather. Ready to recover faster the next time you're unwell? Start by evaluating your habits today. Commit to boosting your immunity with better nutrition, regular movement, and stress management. Watch how your health transforms over time, and share this video with someone who needs a guide to quicker healing.